Hola, Bachatero! Welcome to your weekly Bachata tutorial. Today we are giving you a full breakdown for Bachata basic turns. Let's go! First of all, I'd like to bring us on the same page by making a distinction between a turn and a spin. A spin is also a turn, but it happens on one leg. As in this case, if I stay on one leg, we call this a spin. If I need to turn, I would step through my turn. So each foot will touch the floor as my rotation happens, okay? So just so you know, when we talk about bachata turns, we mean you need to walk through your turn instead of spinning. We need to walk, 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 walk. Okay? Now I will be turning to my left first and then to my right a little bit after. So don't worry if you are starting your count on 1 or on 5, if you are a leader or a follower, because bachata sensual is very symmetric and we will be practicing most of the moves in both directions. So first of all, we want to prepare ourselves, right? Just like we would take an inhale before speaking something, we want to prepare our bodies in another direction in order to perform a turn. So if I need to turn following my left shoulder, I would rotate myself to the right a little bit and make sure this rotation is not completely lateral, okay? About 30 degrees more or less is enough because we're making a very soft, slow turn. From here, I would give myself a non-stop energy going in that left direction. As I give that energy, I also learn, in the beginning you'll learn how much momentum is too much, how much momentum is too little. But right now, I take a deep breath and on one exhale, I will just step through my turn in the same line as our basic. All right, let's do it again one more time. I will turn back and you can follow along. 5, 6, prepare, 8, and turn, step through your turn, and tap feet together. Looking good so far? All right, let's do it to the right side. Again, together we will prepare now to the left. Wind yourself up a little bit, and we walk through our turn. Walk, 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 okay? If you are losing balance in these turns, there are a few more concepts that you need to understand in order to not only look elegant, but also maintain your balance, especially when it comes to double, triple, quadruple turns and such. Now, first of all, again, try not to bend and compromise your posture in some way, okay? We cannot be turning like this because it will skew our center of mass and we become very top heavy. Number 2, it's good if you learn to spot. Spotting is when I maintain my visual anchor in some spot where I am going. So for example, if I have to turn and I have to come back facing my partner or the audience or the camera or the mirror, I would have to make sure that I will maintain my gaze as much as I can on that object. It doesn't have to be someone's eyes, it could be a dot on the floor. And the first thing that comes back is my visual clue to come back to that partner. If you need to practice your spotting, I recommend not worrying about bachata basic cadence and just do this. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. The moment you can turn again, spot that spot. Again. We go like this. Good. What we are trying to achieve in spotting is maintaining that visual contact. Imagine it's like your blinkers in the car, right? So if you look somewhere, your car has to go somewhere. So it's like a steering wheel. So if your anchor is on that spot, your body doesn't get lost where to go. If my anchor is that spot, I will anchor my gaze on that spot. I will maintain my head over that spot, but not compromising my posture. Yes, we don't want to do this kind of a turn. I will maintain my gaze for as long as my neck allows twisting. After I can't do it anymore, I relax my neck and I make sure that it's the first thing to turn before my body gets to see that spot, okay? So that's your spotting. Hey dancer, did you know that if you like this video, you can help my channel grow? It costs you nothing, but it means the world to me. If you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and maybe leave a like and a comment or both under this video, it will help YouTube algorithm to understand that our videos are helpful. Thank you very much. Another thing that might help you is having your steps a little bit smaller, more natural steps, because again, your center of mass wouldn't have to travel this big of a distance. Again, when I need to turn, when I need to go somewhere, I make very natural steps, perhaps around hips width apart, okay? So when I step, if you see, my knees, my toes, and my body all are aligned, looking in the same direction, right? Except for the head, because it needs to spot. So we go this way, then we turn a little bit more, then we turn a little bit more, and by the time I tap, my body can align back. This is a little bit difficult to do with stopping because there's no momentum, right? But if you do it slowly, without stopping, it would start making sense. If you're having trouble pivoting, make sure that you're wearing something that is not causing a lot of friction on the soles of your shoes. You can wear either dance shoes or just practice like me right now on a hardwood floor with just bare socks. So my floor is super sticky today, so it's really hard to wear any shoes. Another thing that would help you is learning to pivot. So in this case, we will be pivoting on the balls of our feet, right? On the balls of our feet. So I will lift my heel off the floor just enough, maybe like quarter of an inch. Doesn't have to be big. We don't need to go this far. But that lifting will provide less friction. And as I turn, as I pivot, I make sure that my knees and toes are aligned and always looking in the same direction. We want to avoid this, knees looking one way, toes looking another way, okay? Again, this all comes around to using your muscles to protect your joints. Treat your dancing as a workout, and this way your body will be a little bit in tone to provide you support in all your endeavors. Let's do a few turns together, okay? I will turn around and you can follow me. We will start going with our basic to our left. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Prepare for the turn. Prepare. 1, 2, 3. Basic. 5, 6. Half a basic again. 1. Get ready for the turn. Prepare. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And we finish. 5, 6. Great job, guys. And that's it for today's class. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video or on the dance floor. Take care of your body, of your bachata, and of your soul. Goodbye, dancer.